Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the decimal places in Google Sheets. So in here, I've already have two different number of decimals, and I'm going to show you how you can increase or decrease the decimals easily on Google Sheets. So what you need to do is just click on the numbers or block or highlight it. If you have more than one rows or columns, you can just block like this. And after you select the data, here at the top there will be these options with a 0 on it. If you want to decrease, you can use this with the arrow pointing to the left. If you want to increase, you can just use this with the arrow pointing to the right. So let's for example, I'm going to decrease it. You can just see it will decrease the number just like that. And if you want to increase, you can just use this again, just like this. So that's pretty easy. And here for the second one, for example, here I'm going to show you a different one. You can go to the format, and for the second one in here, for example, this is a currency, so you can just click on format and here go to number, and you can see there will be this two options. For I'm going to just use this currency just like this, and it will have this dollar sign and also the decimal place at the end. If you want to, you can also choose the other one, round it. You can see there is no decimals, and you can also change it into accounting, for example. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.